KeePass versus KeePassXC. What's the difference? Let's find out. KeePass is a free open-source password manager for Windows, though it also works on macOS and Linux through unofficial ports. It's ideal for users who like full control over the data since it stores passwords locally in an encrypted database. Its key features include AES and CHA-20 encryption, plugin support, and portable operations from a USB drive. KeePass excels in flexibility and transparency, but its interface is dated and setup can feel technical, especially for beginners. On the other hand, KeePassXC is a community-driven fork of KeePass designed for cross-platform use on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It keeps the local database approach but adds a polished, modern interface, native browser integration, and strong cross-device consistency. Security remains top-tier, with support for key files and hardware keys like YubiKey. However, it lacks an official mobile app and some advanced plugin options from the original KeePass. In comparison, KeePass offers deep customization and plugin variety, while KeePassXC focuses on simplicity and native usability. Tech-savvy users might prefer KeePass, while those wanting a smoother modern experience may lean towards KeePassXC. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value flexibility or ease of use more. Thanks for